Hey you guys, back with another Cook with the Hair Messiah or Felonies. I am here with my girls. Oh, the one left. Oh, there go one. And there's the other.
Hi guys.
Whatever she's talking about. But today, guess what we making? Drum roll, mozzarella cheese sticks. Homemade mozzarella cheese sticks with a twist. I Googled this recipe so many times, and now we are about to make them. So let's get into it. All right, so I got to show y'all the ingredients, right? Yeah. All right, you guys, so our ingredients that we're using today to make our mozzarella cheese sticks. We have our mozzarella cheese sticks. Yeah, I got my Vanna White going on. So we got the mozzarella cheese sticks, the eggs, one of the main ingredients, and the breadcrumbs. Yes. So let me put y'all up on game real quick. I got this from Walmart, but we ain't talking about that one. This right here. When I say you don't need to season or anything, this got the whole blend and mixture inside of it. So as you guys can see, this one is already open because we used this in the last tutorial, but we got a brand new one just in case we need a little extra breadcrumbs. So I know y'all wondering, like, why you only got 2 mozzarella cheese sticks on the table? Yeah, so baby girl got a little ahead of the schedule and started shaking them up. Oh, yeah. But it's okay. We still got them. Boom. So in the flour, we're going to use the flour. So basically, since we're on the first step, I might as well tell you guys. So the first step is open up your mozzarella cheese sticks and put them all in flour and shake it. Don't mess up my shirt. Shake it until it's coated with flour. Come on, put it in. Okay, so we shaking it. You say what?
I think that's
Okay, now that we got it shaking, you're going to take them out and put it on the baking sheet. Yeah, just put it on there. We're going, or better yet, yeah, you can put it on here because it's going to do what it's going to do anyway. So if you want to shake a little of the flour off when you take it out the bag, that's cool too, or just put it down because, yeah, you can just leave the flour on there. The more the better.
Oh my God.
What? Yeah, you get dirty while you're baking and cooking. That's good. You washed your hands, so that's all that matters. You did wash your hands, right?
Yeah.
It's too late now if we didn't. But
I did.
Okay. Okay, so the next step is we are going to dip the mozzarella cheese sticks inside of an egg. And this is just egg yolk. I mean, they got different varieties of egg yolk you can use. I know some people are vegan and all that stuff. So yes, so they got different varieties, to each his own. You use what you need to use. So we're going to dip the mozzarella cheese stick in the egg, and that's just giving it that coating for us to prep it to go into the breadcrumbs. All right, so my oldest is going to show you guys the first step.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the flour-coated mozzarella stick and put it in the egg.
The chicken babies. No, just joking.
We're going to twirl it around so it can be fully covered. And then we're going to put it, make sure it's fully covered.
Cover up all that flour.
Make sure. And then you're going to dust it off a little bit. Put it in here. We're going to close this up. We're going to have a lot to clean up when we're done. Well,
exactly. Who? You?
We're going to shake it up.
And why are you shaking it like that instead of touching it?
So it don't mess up.
Exactly, because we want perfect mozzarella cheese sticks.
Okay, then once you're done and you think it's fully covered, you take it out. Grab by the tip. Dust it off. Put it back in. Make sure it's fully covered. You gotta make sure it's dripping when you're done.
Yeah.
Then go.
That's all right.
Let it drip a little more. Open back up. Put it back in and shake.
Yeah, we need the bigger Ziploc bag, but we're working with what we got right now. But yes, y'all, I blended these two together. I know I pushed that one off to the side, but I blended these two together. This has a Italian herb taste seasoning. It comes with garlic and sea salt. And this is more like a Parmesan type of coating. And it's good blended together. Okay, once you done with that, now what?
And then we put it on the baking sheet. I gotta find it first.
So you gotta find it.
Okay, here we go.
Yep, and look at that nice coated mozzarella cheese ball. It ain't no ball, it's a stick, but you get my drip. And now she gonna do the rest, y'all, because Mama is over here making birria tacos. And yes, I will be dropping that tutorial along with this one. So yes, we already got the cilantro and all of that going, and we got our birria over here. So stay tuned for that video as well. But go ahead, daughter. You too, even though she quit half when it was between the job.
No, cause I have cut on my finger.
Oh yeah, we don't want you spreading your germs around. It's okay.
Yeah, I hit it.
All right, you guys, so this is the adult part. I am in the process of putting these cheese sticks in some grease, baby. So you don't have to leave it in there too long. I say about, it's 5:31. I'm just looking at this video time up here. So I say probably not even no more than probably 5 or 6 minutes or so, because you're basically cooking this for the breading to get hard, so it'll be all good. And then you need this with clock that tea, right? This right here. So what you're doing with this, you just basically flipping this over, so you got a good ratio of cooking on this bread. And then you know what? It's another plus with this, getting you a cast iron skillet. You cannot go wrong with these. You cannot. That grease is gonna be hot, hot, hot. So we're gonna let this sit. But if you feel like you starting to see them bust open, that's one or two things that mean that you didn't put enough coating on it. And maybe it's just ready to get taken out. So this one that I'm touching now, I did see it coming out a little bit, but I want these a little bit crispy but not burnt. So we're going to take them out in a few seconds, because I definitely don't want the grease messed up for the other ones that we're going to do. So we're going to start taking them out. I want to show you guys what it looks like once it is taken out. So as you guys can see, this one is kind of crispy, but it's busting open. So we don't want that to happen. So we're going to start taking them out, you know. We're going to start taking them out. Yeah, so you see we didn't even have them in there that long, and it's actually 5:33, not joking. So it's probably in there for like 2 minutes or so. And you see what it did in those 2 minutes? Yes. And I would open one up right now, but obviously, duh, it just came out the grease. We ain't that crazy, but you see? Very demure, very mindful, very tasteful. Clock that.
Go.
All right, so they have cooled off. We gonna bust it open. Y'all see that?
Cheese pool never decline.
That part. That part. And they a bomb.
They is.
Better than Fridays. They're bomb. Y'all like this content? Make sure y'all subscribe to this stuff, because I'm dropping raw knowledge. A bomb. And I got the knowledge for you. I got all what you need on this channel. So make sure that you follow, like, share, and subscribe. subscribe, okay? All right.
I'll tell you.
Hmm.